Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can find secret messages on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app, and once you open your Messenger app, you will end up in this page. So now simply tap on any of the messages and open it. Tap on the eye icon on the right hand side of the corner and simply scroll down where you can find the go to secret conversation. Simply tap on it and you will end up in the secret conversation room. So once you come back from the chat, secret message will go up and you will only have the ordinary conversations visible to others. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.